Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So by the title of the video, you know we have the most talked product for a lot of wrong reasons, but I just went ahead and killed my curiosity and bought the product, showed you in a haul, and here I am with the review. So today we have the L'Oreal Revitalae 1.5 Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It comes in a very nice glass bottle packaging, as you already know, but I would still say it, and a pump style dropper, which will help you to dispense the product in the right amount on your skin. I really like the dropper because it really takes up the right amount of product for your face as well as your neck. You get 30 ml of product in the bigger size bottle where you pay $8.99, and you get 15 ml of product in the smaller bottle. If you are new to this hyaluronic concept, you are not sure what it's going to do to your skin, buy the smaller bottle and try it, and then go ahead and buy the bigger one. After opening the bottle, though you can use the product only for 12 months, but I would say when you start using this product, it's not going to last you more than 2 months. So yes, all about the packaging is done, pricing is well done, and I really like the whole concept. This is definitely 10 on 10. Let's move on to the product, what it's going to give you, and why should you be buying one for yourself. What exactly a hyaluronic acid would do to your skin when applied directly on the skin in a serum form? It can actually lock in the hydration and give you more of a radiant skin, and as well as give you a more of a plumper skin during the day. This Revitalift would give you 3 things. Firstly, it's going to give you a lot of hydration. That means it is going to give you intense hydration. The second thing which you should be expecting out of this product is a good radiance on the skin. And the most important thing and the last thing which you would expect out of this product is plumping on the skin. Talking about the percentage on it, then you will see a radiance more than 42%, and the plumping will be more than 23%. It is all skin type. It is super light in weight. It is very runny, watery. It just melts into the skin, soaks up into the skin, and you would actually see the plumping happening within 15 minutes. By saying that, it doesn't mean that you will feel some tingling sensation on the skin or anything, but after application of this product, I have seen that you just instantly feel there's a nice radiance going on, some glow going on, and we're just ready to go out. So if you are on a run, you do not have time to go to the parlor, you get your cleanup done, facial done, I think you just apply the serum, sit for 15 minutes, you have the nice radiant skin going on. It happens with this product. I don't know how they have done it, but it happens. So yes, expect 3 things. If you want these 3 things, hydration, radiance, as well as plumping, then this is the product made for you. What I'll do now, I'll remove my makeup, be right here and apply the serum and tell you how you can use this serum, because that is very important. Because just by saying buy the serum, use it on the skin, and not tell you what exactly can be the best way this serum to be on the skin and give you best results, and do not damage your skin, because if the serum is not applied rightly, you can damage your skin. So I'll be right back here in a minute. So this is how I look barefaced. So this is how my skin is. Now I generally do not suffer with a lot of other issues, skin issues. So this is how my skin is as of now. Now, have I been using the hyaluronic acid serum? Yes, but I do not use it every day, because initially when I started using the product for 1 week, I did use it every day. But then later I realized I do not need every day. So what I do basically, I now use it today, I do not use it tomorrow, then I use it a day after. Is it going to work like that? Yes, it can work for me like that. But if you want to have that nice skin going on every day, the radiant skin, and if you have a very restricted skincare routine, then you can just include this serum every day. And if you're a dry skin person, you will definitely love this product. So yes, I am a combination to oily skin, and it sits perfectly well onto my skin. So what I'm going to do is just do this, and you will see this thing has a right amount of product. And I'm just going to take this serum on my hands, because I do not take it on my face directly, it will just fall. And I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to apply on my skin. Do not apply around your eye area, it's not needed and it's not advised as well. So I'm not massaging the product, I'm just running the product. You're not supposed to massage this product. Just let the product sit and it will just soaks up into your skin within a minute or two. But you will now I'm feeling a little sticky. You just give 1 or 2 minutes and you are done. Now other thing which you should be doing after putting an hyaluronic acid serum is to go in with a moisturizer, because hyaluronic acid is going to lock in the hydration, but once the hydration is reduced, it will start taking that hydration from your inner skin, and your inner skin would start feeling dry. You will still feel soft and supple on top, which you do not want to happen. So to maintain that hydration level and not damage your inner skin, you should go in with a moisturizer. Now today I'm using this one. I can use any other moisturizer I prefer. So today I'm using the Innisfree one. Now after 1 or 2 minutes, you will see my skin would be less stickier and I would feel the product is completely dried down on my skin. Next up, I'm just going to take the moisturizer, how much ever you feel like putting on your skin, and then just go on top of your serum. So it give you that nice hydration. Your plumping, your radiance will still be there, but your inner skin will also be nourished simultaneously and your hyaluronic acid would perform well. I'm not saying by not putting a moisturizer your hyaluronic acid would not perform well. It will still perform, but just to give a more hydration to your inner skin as well as your top layer of the skin, go in with a good moisturizer. This is how I apply my hyaluronic acid. Now if you are a person who is having more of a sensitive skin, you can do a patch test, but I do not see sensitive skin people suffering with the product because it's very mild. It just melts into the skin. I personally love putting this product in the night and going to bed. Even if you're going out, if you have a function to attend, and if you're missing that radiance from your skin, you can just go in with this product and you are sorted. You really don't have to go in with a facial or a cleaner, because I have seen that plumping happening. Now you can see my skin looks so glowy, so radiant, as well as I personally feel that my skin feel more plumped up. I don't say that it will just happen like boom, but in due course of time you will see more plump effect going on. And by saying this, it's not that when you wash off your face that plumpiness goes away. It is there. So when you start including a product like this every day, it will help in your anti-aging as well, like more of a plumping product. So you really don't have to go for your Botox. You can just go in with this and you are sorted. All in all, a wonderful product done by L'Oreal, and it will definitely give you the hydration, the radiance, as well as the plumping you're expecting. But this is what this product is going to give you, nothing more than that. But yes, I'm really happy that L'Oreal came out with something like this in a very affordable pricing, because there are skincare brands which are launching in India but they are way expensive and way out of reach. Something like this is really easily available, accessible, and can be enjoyed with many Indians. So yes, definitely a thumbs up product which works absolutely wonderful on my skin type, and dry skin people, it is made for you. Hyaluronic acid, hydration, you would definitely need this one. I will be leaving the link in my description if you want to grab one for yourself, but I highly recommend you to grab this product at least once. Use it, you will definitely come back and tell me it is wonderfully done. I hope you loved watching this mini in-depth review on the hyaluronic acid serum by L'Oreal. I will be here soon with some more L'Oreal skincare, because L'Oreal has been launching quite a bit new products. Recently they have launched a plumping face moisturizer as well as the same hyaluronic acid moisturizer, which I will soon be getting and reviewing it for you guys. But all in all, this one definitely worth buy and worth trying. I will be here soon with some more reviews, some more exciting skincare as well as makeup. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BranziGeek. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.